Good afternoon, students. We are discussing the lesson Light in the Night. In last two videos, we explained this lesson. I hope that you understand very well. Now see the page number 17 in left side first paragraph. We can deal with that paragraph now. By the late 1700 centuries, London has so many street lamps that visitors to the city were amazed by them. According to that, the last videos we discussed about that. Firstly, the street lamp placed in the Paris, after that in London. But in a period of time, London became a major city in England because trading and manufacturing and fashion due to that three things. So that's why visitors to the city were amazed by them. वहाँ पर आने वाले लोग सरप्राइज हो जाते थे. The lamps were fueled by wax or oil that gave off an unpleasant smell and often dripped. Those lights having in a road lamps, that time nearby the lights having a bad smell. What is the reason for that? This is often drip. वो हमेशा ही वहाँ पे एक छेद होने के कारण गिरता रहता था and this is the giving the bad smell and this is the one problem there. Many people were employed as light lampers because each lamp had to buy light by hands every evening. What is the meaning of that? Every light lampers have a work there. In the evening, want to burn that light. So that's why the light lampers getting a job there. So this is the very easy thing. One German tourist visiting London in the 17th centuries wrote in his diary, as it was quite dark when I came back the first evening. I was astonished at the admirable manner in which the streets are lighted up. What is the meaning of that? The first German tourist said that when I came back in the last time, that time also evening becoming dark, but today, now the light lamps having there, so that's why road becoming a very admirable. To seeing any person to see the street road, this is becoming a lighted up. So that's why this is the delightfully life there. The bright lamps made the city seem exciting and lively. So that's why this is the reason for that. When they place there the light, the city seem very exciting and lively. The lamps are so near each other that even the most ordinary and common nights, the city has the appearance of a festival illumination. So there is a reason for that. They place the light first in Paris, after that in London, till that the London become a trade and manufacturing and fashionable country. So that's why so many people coming there and having a admiring. So in the every night, every common light becoming a appearance of a festival illuminations. So in every night, that country become having a one festival like that. The light lampers quickly became an important and valued part of society. The light lampers quickly became an important and valued part of society. This was because they often become a key figure in the community. What is the meaning of that? In that community, the light lamper having a one position because the light lampers getting a job there and having a one respect in the country. They would talk the same route twice a day, and as they check, clean, fix, light or put out the lights. What is the job? So these are the work of that light lampers. So underline here, this is the checked, clean, fix, light and put out the lights. These are the work of the light lampers. That's why you have to underline this thing. This is the work of the light lampers. They would notice what was going on around them. So according to that, they getting the job there, and this is the work of that persons. So they want to go and come twice a day. एक बार जाना और आना भी उनको पड़ता था. Many light lampers help to make their route safer. So many light lampers help to make their route safer, and this is the very good reason for that. Light lampers giving the good job there, and this is the help to make their routes safer more than that. Their job required energy, strength and agility and reliability. What is mean by that? उनके जॉब के लिए ये सारी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत थी. Which are the things there? Energy, strength, agility. Agility means moving fastly. Reliability means belief. These are the four things you people have to underline these things: energy, strength, agility and reliability. So these are the things needed for the light lampers. Till here, till reliability we can understood properly. Okay, thank you.